In classical computing, we use bits. That's how we encode information. So a bit can take a value of 0 or 1. In a quantum computer, we have quantum bits, and they can take a value of 0 or 1 or any linear combination of the two. And that's just down to the laws and rules of quantum mechanics, which makes these computers so powerful. The challenge with quantum computers today is that there just simply aren't enough qubits for them to be useful, and it takes a long time to turn these machines on, get them operational. With calibration and tuning, the search space is very, very large, and also devices are variable. Ideally, you don't have a billion PhD students doing this to have a billion qubit quantum computer. You just have an AI or an operating system. So we build AI low-level control software to basically replace quantum engineers in the lab, tune up and calibrate these quantum computers faster than human experts can, allowing these machines to scale to larger and larger qubit numbers and make them more powerful. The amazing thing about mHUB and the Bluefors setup here is that it was just really plug and play. Call the team, they're like, yep, sure, we have availability, flew in, away we went. And that was really an important thing for us, is speed. As a startup, we need to move very quickly. It takes so long to set up cryogenic facilities like the one downstairs. Being able to actually test the software live and show it working on a real device, but not just one, but 64 devices, is really, really important for us. It's very hard to simulate quantum devices. The hard thing to simulate is actually the noisy data, the noise from the lab, the noise from surrounding buildings, which all quantum computers and these chips we know will have to deal with. And that you can only get if you're in person in the lab measuring these systems. I think everyone will move to this model of renting lab space. We'll see more people, even the hardware companies, say, look, we've made a chip, we just want to test it quickly. Our bandwidth is limited here. Can we rent a facility and get the results as fast as possible? Just being in an environment where people are building, but also building like physical things. Who you used to think were your competitors based on, the published research papers are actually could be excellent collaborators in that sense. And that only happens when you can meet people face to face. But also it's rare to get it all under one roof where anyone can come in and use the facilities. So really enjoyed it actually.